Alright, here we are, Boys with Toys, and Dylan's going to open something.
It's called Laser Pins. It has 12 things that you could build in one.
So they're kind of like Lego, but they're not Lego. They're...
Also, this works with any brick.
I think they're kind of
like
saying...
to light up.
I think that they're saying that it'll actually work with like Lego bricks as well.
Like to light up.
Without saying Lego. So light it up, and it's 12 in 1, and this is a formula racer.
See all.
So they glow.
You can build all 12.
Awesome. All right, let's unbox it. And we're being patient.
I got a box.
And the instructions that look exactly like Lego.
Yeah.
But they're not Lego.
Look at it. It's an H.
It's an H.
Hero. I'm a hero.
What are the scissors?
So
Watch your fingers.
Cool.
Ooh, this is the glowing pieces.
Let me see that.
make it glow.
Oh, these are like the...
Clear pieces.
This is actually has
I want the purple seed.
the lights in them. Here.
No, the purple seeds.
Here, open that one up.
Wait.
It's not gonna work.
Why don't you use those scissors?
You have to get the end.
Really?
The thing I was gonna do in the first place. Like, they're like rubber. They're like bendy.
What?
Yeah, they're rubber.
Here, let me see it.
Oh yeah, because they're wheels.
Cool. So they don't actually do any, they don't glow yet, right?
So
Maybe
you
you have
put
to.
a piece on them.
They take batteries?
Yes.
Ah, there's the trick.
3 AA. See?
Cool.
Boom.
See it.
They don't come in together.
Pretty cool.
Ooh. No, Josh, you're missing
Did
one.
you open up those other bags?
Josh, you're missing one.
Could I? Or should I?
I wanted to take a look at them.
Oh.
Whoa. 52 pickup.
Oh.
Ready? Let's start building now.
I found a hole, but it won't open.
Here, just go like this. Boom.
Don't lose them.
Well,
Cool, guys. So, Dylan, you excited about building it?
Yeah.
Dylan, look up here. Let's sign off. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Peace.